In this video, I'll show you how to pack the Peak Designs travel backpack using a couple sets of packing cubes I picked up on Amazon for under $20. And if you like videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel and enjoy. If you remember from the last video, the Peak Designs travel backpack is set up around a modular system. The accessories, the packing cubes, and camera cube take up 1, 2, or 3 units depending on which one you use. If you're using the Peak Designs packing cubes, the medium counts as 2 units, and then the small cube is half the size, and this counts as 1 unit. 3 of these take up the entire space of the travel backpack with a small gap left on top for some of the accessories. And then you can switch out other modular units like the small camera cube, take up the same amount of space as the small packing cube, and you can interchange these any way you want. And while I love the Peak Designs packing cubes, they're really expensive. The medium cube is almost $40 and the small cube is almost $30. And while they're really nice and they fit in the travel backpack perfectly, it's hard for me to justify spending $70 on packing cubes, especially when less expensive options exist that work just as well. Now I'll show you the Gonex packing cubes. I bought 2 sets, one regular and one expandable, and I bought them based on the dimensions that they would fit exactly inside the Peak Designs travel backpack. This first set I bought on Amazon comes with everything you see here for $13.99. It comes with one large cube, a medium cube, 2 of these slim cubes, and then this other little pouch that you can use as a shoe compartment or laundry bag. These aren't expandable, so you have to stack them on top of each other. But this long one fits right here, and then the medium cube, and then just one of these small cubes, and it fits right in there. And then you have the same little gap on top of the bag that's big enough to fit one of the Peak Designs travel accessories. And you have the same problem with these cubes as you do with the Peak Designs cubes. With all 3 of these fully packed, you don't really have enough room for anything but one of the Peak Designs accessories. So what you can do is take out one of these smaller cubes, and then you have enough room on the top of this bag that you can fit in a pair of shoes and the tech pouch and the wash pouch. The other set of Gonex packing cubes I got comes in a set of 3, and I got these on Amazon for about $19. They don't come in different shapes like the other set does. Instead, these are 3 all the same size, kind of this medium expansion cube. These cubes aren't nearly as big as the Peak Designs medium cube, but I found that 2 of these compressed down fit on top of each other pretty much perfectly in the bag. And then you have a couple of options with the top part of the bag. These work pretty well with the camera cube. You can pop that in there, and then you have the same kind of space left over in the top of the bag. The tech pouch will fit in there pretty much perfectly. Or if you don't have the camera cube, you can use the 3rd compression cube, and then that will leave you a little bit of space on the top here, and the tech pouch and the wash pouch fit pretty much perfectly right in there. A quick note on the quality of the Gonex packing cubes. Now obviously a set of $14 packing cubes is not going to be as good of a quality as the $70 Peak Designs packing cubes. But I specifically chose this brand because I've seen them recommended in other places as a decent, inexpensive packing cube, and they have really good stars and ratings on Amazon. In summary, I really like the Peak Designs packing cubes. I like the easy access zippers, the strong fabric, and the expandable zipper, but it's hard to justify the $70 price tag for this set, especially when some cheaper alternatives exist that work just as well. My favorite way of packing the travel backpack is to use the set of non-expandable packing cubes. They fit the amount of clothes that I usually take pretty well, with enough room left over on top for the tech pouch. If you're carrying photography gear, or if you want a little bit of room on the top of the bag for more accessories, then the Gonex expandable packing cubes work really well with the camera cube. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions about these sets of Gonex packing cubes, or how to pack the Peak Designs travel backpack, then definitely let me know in the comments below. And if you like videos like this, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.